Hello everyone, I just wanted to bring you up to date on my trading so far this week. Day before yesterday I made a whopping €9. Yesterday I made €90, as indicated right here. Yesterday €90. And today I voluntarily closed a German DAX position long, just to keep my account in balance, clean it up. And I took a voluntary loss today, and today I'm down. Today I'm down 169, and that's because of this one position I closed, which is this one right here in the German DAX. And I did that on purpose just to keep my account imbalanced, and I didn't think the German market was going to be, the position was sitting up here. And I decided to toss it because I don't think the market's going to be up there anytime soon again. And I voluntarily closed it, and that's the hardest thing to do about trading. Something I've lacked at myself for the last 4 years, but I'm trying to be better. I'm trying to push myself to that barrier so that I can continue trading for the long term. It doesn't matter that I had to close out position 174 because I've been absolutely banking money since September 4th, consistently each and every day, 100 per day, easily even surpassing that. So I threw away 174 today, which is 169 with some profits taken back already. So that's the secret. That's what you got to do about trading. You got to be able to do that, close losing positions and just walk away, and you will trade that back, and I will trade that back. And that is the magic formula for trading, whether it's equities or Forex, and that's the hard part to do. So today I voluntarily closed it, and I'm fine with it, and my account has come from 5,000 to 7,260, and I will be back and earning that money back over the next 2 days, probably. So if you look at the German market here, I got 2 long, and I've got, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4 short. These 2 are also quite old, and this one probably should be closed as well for the same reason that the German market is probably not going to be down at 12,000 anytime soon or past it. It would take a big event for the market to crash that far, and that's not going to be happening anytime soon. Plus I'm carrying a negative swap on these 2 positions. They're quite old, so they also should be cleaned up. If I can just focus on these 2, I can show you the swap on them as well. Let's see, make this window a bit bigger. We go to positions, 33 positions, way too many. Also, you need to control that, too many. But anyways, here's the German positions singled out, and you'll see that there are €26 swap and a €25 swap on these 2 right here, because they're quite old. So not only am I underwater on these positions, they keep adding as well every day. So these 2 need to be cleaned up as well. So if I was really a good trader, I would say, okay, I've cleaned up the top one, and I'm going to clean down these 2 small ones, these lower ones as well, taking these losses right here. I would bring my account back down to below 7 grand, in fact, if I close this. But the worst positions are gone, and I'll just keep trading the range we're in right now, which is here. Then I would hope these work. I would just trade this back and forth. I should do that, but can I do that? That is the hard part. I always like to wait to see how things are turning out. I think I've had a long time to do that. I don't think at any time that these positions will be met. So what I'm going to do is, I've already taken a loss. I'm already down today. What I'm going to do is try and score some more money somewhere, and then subtract perhaps this one. Then score some money again and subtract that one. So not doing it all at once, because I would drop my account by the combination of these 2 right here. 400 we're looking at. More than 400. Oh, more than 400. 478, 468. Ouch, 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 ouch. So I do it one at a time as I'm scoring profits, and then I'm range bound again. So yeah, like a look at the pound is doing that. Got a couple of small short longs in that, and the UK market, I've got several shorts. I'm obviously betting on that the UK market is going to drop. It's had a lot of rise the last few days, so I'm now betting on that it will drop. No guarantees of that, but I'm going to watch these. Going to watch it quite closely today, and hopefully take some profits on these 2, and then maybe take one of those Germans out. Most of the retail traders also think that the UK market will drop quite a bit. So these are the open positions of the clients with IC markets using the C Trader that 83% think that the UK market will be dropping. So that's also a nice indicator. But it does influence you what other people are thinking, and most traders are wrong. So it's not actually a good indicator to use, but it does influence you that look how many traders think that the UK market is going down. So I'm thinking, yeah, I think the same, so I'm going to take a short position. But 90% of the traders are wrong. So that's something to take in mind when you're following that indicator. Just quickly go over to my FX book, which is shut down, unfortunately. I'm up 45% on my account so far, and I'm very happy with that. Since September 4th, being up 45% is excellent. A lot of people have said to be a good trader, if you're up 5% in a month, that's a good trader. 3 to 5% in a month is a good trader. So that's what I've heard over and over again, and I'm far exceeding that. Let's see where I end up October 4th. But I'm doing really well. I'm very pleased with how I've made profit every day, even though I've got several losing positions on. I was able to clean up the German market. These are cleaned up. All of these I'd basically break even aside losses, and these are new short positions. And these are still my old short positions. Let's have a look at the good old Euro US. What's going on there? It's dipped a lot, and I have betted already yesterday for it to return. I took a 10,000 euro position here, and none of them worked out. And then this morning I took another one because I am sure that the euro will rebound upward into this range. So I'll collect all of these as a profit. But as you can see, you never know when it will happen. I thought here it would go up. I thought all of these would go up. It never did. And actually dropped down the rest of the day. Here we go into after midnight. And then look, we hit the morning. And back it went down. So you never know how this goes. That's why I take smaller positions. This is a 10,000 euro position, so it's not so small. But in the past, I would take 100,000 here, and here, and your account would be gone. So I'm definitely more controlled that way, but I'm still not perfect. I'm still landing all of this right. I'm landing all the German positions right. And yeah, my account can handle it. So I've gotten, over the last 4 years, I've at least gained a feel of what my account can handle and not handle. And in the past, it was just like I was a deer in the headlights, lusting, greedy for money. And I lost each and every account I deposited in. Over 4 years, I lost everything I deposited. And it was ugly. It's a lot of money, and it's very ugly. So what I'm trying to do now is chisel it slowly back by taking a smaller, a more balanced approach, if you can call 33 positions open a balanced approach. Okay, let's have a look quickly at oil. I've got 2 up, 2 down. Oil sways all over the place. It's completely unpredictable. Nobody knows. It depends on whatever headline is coming out at the time. There's no commissions on the oil with IC markets, so I have some up, I have some down, and I cash in when I can. Here, this one's currently 7 euros in the positive, so I could close it. So I watch that all day, and I enjoy playing the oil markets. I also have gold. I have 1 up, 1 down, very close together. Gold is really impossible to predict, and I don't even know why I take positions in gold. Actually, I got 1 up, I got 1 down, and there is a commission on this, but it's also fun to play the commodities. I only play the gold and the oil, and the rest I don't touch. And I do the indexes because there are no commissions on the indexes with IC markets. So that's beautiful. You take a position and you don't even have to pay commission. Imagine that. You cannot do that with equity brokers. No equity broker, stockbroker, retail stockbroker will offer you 0 commissions on taking stock trades. The spread is also tiny, and so I love playing the index for what it pays per pip, the small spread, and the no commissions. Check out IC Markets, a great broker. I've used them for 4 years straight. I have a review video on my channel as well about them. I find them an absolutely straightforward, excellent, honest broker. Deposits are absolutely free and instant. Withdrawals are also free, and they are taken out the very next day of your account. Customer service is excellent. I usually get answers within 5 to 10 minutes of my question asked. And I have nothing good to say about IC markets. They've been around for absolute years and years and years. I think more than 20, and that shows that they're a fair and decent broker with a fair policy and not there to rip off their clients. So check out IC Markets. That's what I'm trading with, and I'm using the CTrader Forex program, which is a third-party program put up by Spotwire that they have purchased or leased, I guess, to allow their clients to trade Forex with. And I find it the most easy to understand platform to trade Forex with. And I wouldn't trade Forex with MT4 or MT5. I love the CTrader platform, and that's what brought me to IC Markets as well. And then I compare their commissions, and I found them to be absolutely good and fair commissions to other brokers. And I will always stay with IC Markets when I trade. Okay, I hope you liked this video. I hope I get some likes. I hope I get some subscribers. I hope I get some comments. And I'll make about 10 videos, see how it goes. And otherwise, I'll just trade privately. Okay, hope to hear from you. Goodbye. Till next time.